Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Windows gaming bar not working or not showing in your Windows. Anytime you try accessing the Windows gaming bar, it is not working or it is not displaying on your screen. So let's see how to fix this. Without further delay, let's get started. Now, first and foremost, what we need to do is that we just have to go to our apps and see if the permissions are allowed for our Windows game bar. To have access to the apps and permissions, right click on your start button and go to your settings. Under your settings, just click, you can see that we have apps here on your left here. So just click on apps and then go to installed apps. Now scroll down to the last option. You are going to have Xbox there. Click on this three dot here and then click on advanced option. Now once you have these advanced options here, now you can see that our permissions are all off. So there's permissions for the camera. So you just have to turn all these on. Once you turn that on, and then on the Xbox itself once again. And once you turn them on, just try to access it again to see if it is working or not. If it's still not working, now come back to these apps again and then terminate it. Once you terminate it, if it was working at the background, it will terminate every option and then for you to have access it again. Now once you terminate, try using it again to see if it works. If still it doesn't work, now you come and repair. After repairing and it is still not working, you just reset. Now with the reset options, it's going to reset all settings back to its default as it was once the first time you install the Windows. And it's going to take back the game bar just as it is. Once the reset is done, you try accessing it to see if it works or not. After doing the reset and you still go ahead to open it and it's still not working, now this time around, just go back to your settings once again. Under the settings on your left side, you can see that we have gaming here. Come to the gaming and then we have game bar here. So click on game bar. You can see that allow your controller to open your game bar. If your game bar is not, or if it is not on, you just have to switch it. You have to turn it on and then turn the shortcut keys button to on. Now go back and then come to the gaming mode and enable the gaming mode too. After enabling the gaming options, the game mode and the game bar, now you can try it and see if it's working or not. But if still not to be working, now the next option for us to do is to enable the gaming mode using group policy. To enable the gaming mode, what you just need to do is that on your keyboard, just press Windows key plus R to open your run box, or just go to your start and search for run. As you can see that we have that here. So just click on the run and then it's going to open your run box. Once it opens your run box, what you just need to type in there, you just have to type gpedit.msc. Once you have that, just click on OK. And once it opens your local group policy for you, now come down to expand this just to have access to all it. So come down to administrative templates and then come to Windows components. Now in here, what you just need to do is that look for Windows gaming recording. So scroll down and look for Windows gaming recording. All right, so expand this just to have access to everything. Now we have this Windows game recording and broadcasting. Once you click on it, it's going to have these options. So these are the options for you. So this is the settings which you need to enable. So just double click on it or right click on it and then click on edit. Once it edits, and as you can see, it is not configured. What you just need to do, you just have to enable it and then click on apply and then OK. Once you are done with all these options, what you just need to do is that just restart the PC. And once you come back, try accessing the game bar and I'm sure your game bar is going to be working for you perfectly in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Right now, we are just accessing it using Windows 11, but also these same methods can be applied using Windows 10. Guys, that is just how easy and simple it is to fix this issue of Windows game bar not working. If this video was helpful to you in any way, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next one. Peace out.